Hey guys, welcome to this week's blog. And this week, I'm giving you guys my formula for resilience. And Bend Like Bamboo embodies the definition of resilience, which really has evolved over time. I remember when I was thinking of the name of my new practice that I was opening up shortly after I finished uni. And studying kinesiology, which was 7 and a bit years ago, I just knew in my heart that Bend Like Bamboo was the name, but I didn't quite yet know why in all the ways that I do now. And for me, Bend Like Bamboo embodies resilience and utilizing flexibility as a way to get there. Bending like bamboo and resilience, I guess we all have many different definitions of what that is for us, but for me, it's the ability to bend and adapt in times of change. And I've learnt in my life that change is coming all the time. Nothing is ever stagnant. We live in a very dynamic world. And so resilience is not only the ability to adapt in times of change, but it's the ability to dig down deep and find that strength within you in those times where you start to believe that you can't go on or you lose faith and hope on when things get really hard. It's that part of you that's always there that awakens when you need to find it the most. And it is really in those darkest times of our life that we really discover what we're made of, which is a true gift, I guess, of what we are currently going through right now with the COVID-19 crisis. Resilience is also the ability to recover from stress, and our ability to process stress will be linked to how happy and healthy we are, and our ability to face adversity and our ability to rebuild our lives in all the different phases that life goes through. As you'll notice, there's constant chapters and constant phases. So why not master change then? Why not get really good at it? Because when you can be very flexible in your mindset, in your body, and in your soul, you will open up and awaken to all the reasons why we are here. We are here to do work. We are here on a physical plane. We live in a world of comparisons and polarity, not by accident, in my opinion. And so the formula for resilience is R equals A minus LG plus F. And so A is your anchor, your ability to find your own inner anchor. And if you imagine the analogy of a tree or bamboo bending, it is only flexible because of that deep-rooted anchor that allows the bamboo to bend in direct proportion to the wind without snapping or breaking. Your inner anchor is where you in your life learn who you are, what you stand for, and what you are truly made of. So when you can find your deep anchor within yourself, no one can take that away from you, and you can get through anything. So finding your anchor is the first step. Minus LG, letting go. Letting go of the past, getting really good at shedding what's no longer serving you, that is in line with your personal growth. Knowing what to move on from and knowing what to pursue. And then plus F is flexibility. Flexibility in your mindset, the ability to see your circumstances with fresh and new eyes, the ability to reassess and change your story, and to grow. And also to question what is going on for you in your mindset and your thoughts, which are linked to your emotions and your biochemistry and your health and your behaviors and your habits and how you show up in the world. So flexibility in your mindset is really important. Flexibility in your body is really important. Your body is your temple, so you want to stretch it, you want to exercise your muscles, you want your lymphatic system to flow, you want to optimize all the systems of your body, and right now our immune system. And flexibility in our soul, because when you live your life this way, and you're deep rooted within your anchor and you have the ability to let go of what's no longer serving you, you tend to walk your talk more and you live a life more filled with meaning and purpose. And that is when I feel my soul expanding. And when our soul expands, it feels good and we feel on path. And we awaken, and we need setbacks and difficult, challenging times and those darker times to guide us to our awakening. And so that's my formula for resilience. Jump on this week's blog and you'll get many more details about how to boost flexibility to find resilience within you. Thanks. See you next week.